Hey folks, Bernakevitch here with All Points Design. That's allpointsdesign.ca with the Oregon State University Permaculture Design template. Specifically, we're talking about the question and answer feedback opportunity. So when you get to the end of each of the assignments, you'll find that there is a slide that has the opportunity for you to ask any specific questions to that assignment or the materials or the lectures that came up for that week. So if there's a specific aspect about what you just went through, so for example, this is under the design site, you may have a question about where to find good, where do I find good topographical information for my site? It might be a question you have. This is a great opportunity for you to put it into this assignment, and that way your instructor can take a look at it and directly address your question. If you don't have any questions that week, just feel free to click on the slide on the left-hand side and either right-click and click delete, or you can just hit the delete button. Remember, if you ever need to bring it back, you can always just Command Z or edit, undo, redo. This is a great opportunity to ask any questions you have specifically about the content or the site or the assignment. And remember that the more you interact with your grader and your other classmates, the more value you can gain from the course. Thanks so much for listening, folks. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.